Hello everyone, here I am Professor Sheetal Kunkunde from the Department of Agronomy, KK College of Agriculture, Nashik. Welcome to today's session of course number Agro 3610, that is Farming System and Sustainable Agriculture. First chapter of this course is Farming System, definition, scope, concept, component and objective of farming system. This is the introductory and first chapter of this course. Then we will see some definitions, basic definitions. First definition is of farming. What is a farming? Farming is a process of harnessing solar energy in the form of economic plant and animal products. Another definition is of system. A system implies a set of interrelated practices organized into functional entity, that is, an arrangement of components or parts that interact according to some process and transforms input into output. Then there are definition of farming system, as our course title is Farming System and Sustainable Agriculture. Farming systems are characterized by their physical, biological and socio-economic settings and by the farm families, goal and other attributes, access to resource, choices of productive enterprises and management practices. Or farming system is an integration of farm enterprises such as cropping system, animal husbandry, piggery, fishery, poultry, beekeeping, forestry, etc. for optimum utilization of available resources and bringing prosperity to the farmers. Farming system, it is a resource management strategy to achieve economic and sustained production to meet diverse requirements of farm household while the system is preserving resource base and maintaining a high level environmental utility. Farming systems, it is a decision making tool and land use unit comprising the farm household, cropping and livestock system that produce crops and animal products for consumption and sale. These are the definitions given by various authors, but approach is same, that is efficient utilization of available resources by the farmers. Then concept of farming system. Farming system is a set of agricultural activities organized into functional units to harness that means to harvest or to collect solar energy profitably while preserving land productivity and environmental quality and maintaining desirable level of biological diversity and economical stability. To earn profit from different enterprises is the main aspect of farming system. To preserve land productivity, to preserve environmental quality, to maintain desirable level of biological diversity and ecological stability, as I already told you. Then what are the components of farming system? We already see in definitions that a system is a set of interrelated interactions. Therefore, there are various components of farming system which gets interacted with each other and produce better product. These are the components of farming system: agriculture, fish farming, horticulture, duck rearing, forestry, pigeon rearing, mushroom cultivation, sericulture, azula rearing, dairy, kitchen garden, poultry, fodder production, goat rearing, nursery, sheep rearing, seed production, piggery, vermiculture, biogas. These components get interacted with each other, get added with each other and produce better product to the farm or in farming system. Then objective of farming system. What are the objective of farming system? First one, to identify existing farming system in specific area and assess their relative variability or viability. To formulate farming system models involving main and allied enterprises for different farming situations. Because in irrigated conditions, we need to suggest different farming system model. In rainfed condition, we have to suggest different farming system model. In hilly regions, we have to suggest different farming system model. Therefore, this is objective of farming system. To ensure optimum utilization and conservation of available resources and effective recycling of farm residues within system. To maintain sustainable production without damaging resource and environmental quality. To raise overall profitability of farm household by complementing main and allied enterprises with each other. The scope of farming system. Then we saw the components of farming system, objective of farming system, what is the basic concept of farming system. Then we should know what is the scope of farming system. Farming enterprises include crop, livestock, poultry, fish, sericulture, etc. A combination of one or more enterprises with cropping, when carefully chosen, planned, and executed, gives greater dividends than a single enterprise, especially for small and marginal farmers. Farm as a unit is to be considered and planned for effective integration of the enterprises. The integration of farm enterprises depends on following factors. Soil and climatic features of the selected area, availability of the resources, land, labor and capital, present level of utilization of resources, economics of proposed integrated farming system and managing skill of farmer. If farmer is not having managing skill, then he cannot manage all the enterprises uh, and do not produce the output from using various inputs. Then soil and climatic features of the selected area. Uh, by using soil and climatic features of the selected area, one can should suggest the farming system model for that area. Then availability of the resources, land, labor and capital is must. Uh, re- Resources should be available nearby, then market facility should be available, then labor should be available for the working purpose. The present level of utilization of resources. What is the actual utilization of resources? Is in the, it is going in actual manner or not? It should be observed. Then thank you for this lecture. Thank you.